Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Are you tired of your phone dropping every time you hit a bump? Finding a reliable mount is essential for safe driving. Today we are checking out the best car phone holder to keep your device perfectly secure while you are on the road. Let's get started. Designed for users who need ultimate stability on the road, the Lamical V01 car phone holder brings incredible peace of mind to your daily drive. Having a reliable place to put your smartphone while driving is a matter of safety. We rely on our devices during our commute, from finding the best route on a map to answering phone calls hands-free. Let us talk about how this mount stays put on your dashboard. Lamical designed this holder with an innovative 4-lock protection system. This advanced mechanism securely attaches to both vertical and horizontal air vents in your vehicle. Instead of using a simple friction clip that easily slips off, this locking system grabs onto the vent blade and holds tight. You can confidently drive over bumpy roads or take sharp turns, and your phone will stay exactly where you left it. To ensure a perfect fit, the Lamical V01 features a hook extension range from 10 mm up to 29 mm. This wide adjustment range allows the mount to seamlessly connect with most standard car vents. Just keep in mind that this model is not compatible with round vents or vent blades thicker than 4.2 millimeters. By focusing on standard straight vents, Lamical guarantees the grip remains as tight and secure as possible. One of the biggest frustrations with phone mounts is having to take off your phone case every time you step into your car. Lamical solved this problem beautifully. The Lamical V01 car phone holder is fully compatible with thicker cases, including wallet covers and bulky battery cases. It utilizes newly upgraded sidearms and a highly adjustable bottom foot to accommodate different device sizes. These parts work seamlessly together to firmly hug your smartphone, regardless of how thick your protective case happens to be. This makes it a practical choice for anyone who wants to keep their device protected at all times. To add extra care, the interior of the mount is lined with an ultra-thick silicone back layer. This soft silicone panel serves two important purposes. First, it offers a great amount of extra cushioning to absorb unwanted shocks and road vibrations. Second, it completely prevents any accidental scratches from damaging the back of your smartphone. Your device is kept safe and secure while the holder itself maintains a sleek and stylish look that blends right into your car interior. Durability is another huge factor when choosing car accessories, mostly because a closed car can experience wild temperature changes. The Lamical V01 is carefully crafted from a high-quality blend of PC and ABS materials. This rugged construction is built for long-lasting performance and everyday wear and tear. Amazingly, this holder can easily withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to a blazing 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you park outside in freezing winter snowstorms or under the hot summer sun, this Lamical holder will not warp, crack, or lose its gripping strength. For maximum viewing convenience, the Lamical V01 car phone holder offers a full 360-degree rotation feature. This amazing flexibility allows you to quickly position your phone at the ideal angle for your seating position. You can easily rotate your screen to portrait mode when you want to answer a hands-free phone call. Then, you can simply flip it sideways into a wide landscape mode when you need to follow GPS navigation directions. This ensures you always have a perfectly clear view of your screen without ever obstructing your view of the road ahead. It easily adapts to your personal driving needs. Finally, nobody wants to struggle with complicated tools just to set up a simple phone accessory. The installation process for the Lamical V01 is incredibly quick and totally hassle-free. It requires just 2 simple steps to get everything fully attached and ready to go. Without needing any extra tools or frustrating adjustments, you can have this holder securely mounted to your air vent in just a matter of seconds. With its stable design, premium durability, and user-friendly features, this holder provides a remarkably reliable and versatile solution for keeping your mobile device secure and accessible while driving. Are you ready to make your daily commute safer and more enjoyable? Check the price link in the description to grab this awesome mount for your car. Please like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more amazing gadget content. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.